Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, it's Beatrice Viviers with your morning beach walk video. Frankie two socks are somewhere with a coffee. Pardette is at home because we have to catch lifts down to the beach. Don't know when the double cab will be ready. See that there's a lot of water running out of the estuary, but the mouth doesn't look all that healthy. That over there is a boat killer. Because the conditions change, the guys beach here, they launch here. Things on the peninsula has changed drastically. Mud banks on the opposite side at the St Lucia channel exposed. Estuary mouth appears very narrow. Sediment build-up, the ocean-borne sediment build-up now is evident. You guys can see it. I don't have to try and entice your imagination of what I see below the water. Now you guys can see what I've been seeing below the water now for so many months. See the ocean-borne sediment there on the mud bank. The peninsula still growing into there. You can see that's ocean-borne sediment pushing into the estuary. And on the previous clip we saw all the ocean-borne sediment that's hiding here on high tide below the water mark. You can even see the ocean washing sediment into the St Lucia beach channel. Here we've got our sand dune, walking sand dune, and we haven't been here for a couple of months, and just look at how it's grown and migrated to the south. As Frankie is pointing out, that mount over there used to be a dip, and it's rising and rising and rising and moving south, and growing in height and moving south. Just look at it. At the entrance of the boardwalk, and we can see the grass growing into the boardwalk over there. Now we're going towards the tidal channel, and I can hear bobble activity there. This is tidal channel, and it's low tide down on the beach, and the tide is running out here quite aggressively, so there's a lot of energy being harvested here in the tidal channel. But the mangrove trees are still dead, and with all the tidal interaction here, the reeds are still green. Let's just give a couple of seconds of mud over there. This is from the boardwalk looking towards the ocean. Let's just zoom out so that you guys can get a perspective of what we're looking at. All that you see there pumping out, there's Viruna crabs. It's spawning season for them and they are full again. There's a lot of Viruna crabs congregating over there. Absolutely exquisite sunset here at Sunset Jetty this afternoon. It's worthwhile staying for it. Let's see if we can zoom in on that flying birds there and make it part of the video.